Hi. In this brief video, I'm going to go through some steps to create content in Blackboard Ultra. So let's get started. If you have created a course map, I would suggest that you access the course map to guide you through the creation of the content. Pause here if you need to. First, we are going to create a learning module. You can hover over the white spaces between the modules on this page and you will see a plus sign appear. You can click that plus sign and you will get a list of options for additional content. For this activity, we are going to choose Create, then choose Module. A panel will open to the right. Click the words New Learning Module. The naming schemes, according to our Blackboard ECP rubric, are weeks, units, or modules. You may also add a description to the learning module. You can add any text you feel is important for your students to see on their main course page. You can set your advanced sequence settings here as well. This means that students have to complete each item before moving to the next item. You can create an image for your module by clicking Add Image. You can create an image and upload it to the area, the specifications for the file. You can search for an unsplash image, or you can also generate an AI image. Be sure to add a couple of descriptive words for your module so that the image is matched more closely. Once you have created your module, you are ready to start building your content. At this point, you may want to reflect back to your course map or your course outline to refresh your plan for laying out your content. As you create your course, you will add content in an order which you wish for your students to complete it. You can drag and drop content if you would like to change the order. Keeping the content in sequential order will lessen the confusion of the students. The first thing that should always be added to your modules is a module overview. You can use the SkyCTC template module overview or you can create one on your own. But you should always have an overview for each module. In the module overview, you will need the following items: a brief summary or description of the content that will be covered in the module. One or two sentences is fine. The next thing in the module should be why the module matters. This could be a skill that will be covered that is important to build on other concepts or so on. This is how you feel module matters to the student. You will also need an objective statement. This is how the students will demonstrate competencies. These are your objectives. Remember, this was covered in Module 1, Competency versus Objectives. Once you have your course map and or course outline, you should be able to copy and paste from your document by copying from the document and clicking Edit for your module objectives. You will click the ellipsis, it will open, and then you will simply paste module object course map. You should also include a list of activities that should be completed for the module with your best estimate of time that it would take a student to complete the activity. You may also add information to the module overview that you feel will give your students a good overview about the content that they are going to be accessing. Now you are on your way to building your first module. In the next video, I will go through the steps for adding content to a document.